Alright, welcome everybody. Here we are, still in Scottsdale. Landed here yesterday. Nice flight from Burbank. And we're about to start a flight from Scottsdale to Teterboro, New Jersey, KTEB, Kilo Tango Echo Bravo. 1,869 nautical miles, expected about a 4-hour flight. So let's get up on the flight deck and let's get started. Start with our camera adjustment first and foremost, that we always have to do regrettably. And we'll do our standard startup procedure. Battery left, battery right, left generator, right generator, APU generator, APU, calibrate our altimeter.
Takeoff runway 3 climb and maintain 11,000 feet. Departure frequency is 120.7 squawk 1572.
Alright, just doing the basic stuff here that we need to do.
Cessna November Tree 4 Tree Bravo Whiskey cleared to Teterboro Airport is filed. Takeoff runway 3 climb and maintain 11,000 feet. Departure on 120.7 squawk 1572.
Cessna Tree Bravo Whiskey, read back correct. Contact ground on 121.6.
Set our VS at 3,500.
Scottsdale ground Cessna November
Speed.
Tree 4 Tree Bravo Whiskey
Manual.
requesting pushback.
195.
Cessna November Tree 4
Lights.
Tree Bravo Whiskey pushback request accepted.
Okay, here comes pushback. Well, that was pretty smooth. Startup procedure there. Got to start our engines though. Left engine spooling up first. Go outside. Watch the glitchy pushback procedure. See if it... Oh, it worked this time. Nice. Flaps. 1 notch. You know, if you watched the last video, I was kind of curious as to why we didn't get any assistance on where to park or how to park. I think it was because... Already? Okay. At least in the setup page, there is no parking for large GA aircraft like this. So I think the AI might have gotten confused. But that said, the idea... Okay. Take off toward the northeast, so... The idea of longitude not being allowed or able to land at Scottsdale is just silly. So, I don't know what to tell you. Alright, let's zoom in here on our MFD. Can't I get any closer than that? No? Maybe not. Guess not. Okay, anyway, very short taxi, so they're... that's good. Let me just go through real quick. My left engine is up and running. We'll do our right engine. Somebody just landed. Okay, that right engine spooling up. Make sure I have PFD settings, wind option 2. Nope, 2. There you go. Alright, we'll enter all the minimums and ILS frequencies and everything else later for the part 2 video. We're expecting it to land at ILS runway 06 at Teterboro. ILS runway 06. But that's 4 hours away, so we're 3.5 hours away where we need to start worrying about all that stuff. But I think we're good in terms of all our other setup stuff. We'll shut down that APU once the right engine's finished spooling up, which it's just about. See how that's at 60% on N2. That's at 49.5. Got a lot of gas on board, but we need it because we're flying across the country. Expecting a night landing. Might or could be interesting. Oh, well, night landings are always interesting. Who am I kidding? But I'm happy that it's an ILS. 30 degrees and currently it's mostly sunny. Local time in Arizona is 3:03 p.m. But with the time and everything, I would expect we're probably going to be landing in Teterboro probably about 9 o'clock. About 9 o'clock p.m. New Jersey time. So obviously will be a night landing. Okay, both engines are fully spooled up. We'll shut down our APU, no longer needed. And let's go. Let's get that taxi light on, of course. Well, we couldn't be any closer to the runway threshold. That's kind of nice. Beautiful day. Wow. Looks like Southern California absorbed the brunt of the storm because it's real weather, 61 degrees and sunny in Scottsdale, and looks like that to me. Outside air temperature is 15 degrees on my in-sim. You see right here, 15 degrees. So, what a beautiful day. Beautiful. This is why people go to Arizona in January. Okay, we're already at the bars.
Approaching runway 03.
Use those pedals to stop. There we go. We're going to get clearance.
Scottsdale Tower Cessna November 34 Bravo Whiskey ready for IFR departure runway 3.
Nobody's coming. Nobody's coming.
November 34 Bravo Whiskey cleared for takeoff runway 3.
Let's see if we lost our camera. No, we didn't. Isn't that funny? Wonder why that happens.
Okay.
Okay.
Bravo
Let's get this show on the road. Got a transcontinental flight in front of us. Okay, here we go.
Approaching runway 03. Entered runway 03. 8,200 feet remaining.
This was a really fun landing yesterday. Obviously in the opposite direction. But... Ooh, somebody's on final. 7 miles out. That's plenty of time.
Scottsdale Tower. Cleared RNAV Yankee runway 3 approach. Altimeter 30.14 wind 169er at 8.
169er. So we're taking off with a little bit of a tailwind, 5 knots, not the end of the world. Okay.
Scottsdale Tower, generic Foxtrot, Tango Hotel 4527 miles. West inbound RNAV Yankee runway 3 approach.
Sync our heading bug. Couple planes on final, or on approach anyway, but we're going to be out of here. Start our timer. We're going to be out of here long before they're anywhere near us, so let's go.
Cleared RNAV Yankee runway 3 approach, generic 452.
There we go. Airspeed's alive.
452 cleared to land runway 3. Wind 169er at 8.
80 knots.
Cleared to land runway 3, generic 452.
120.
Exejet 363 cleared to land
140.
runway 3. Follow the generic
150
runway.
and rotate.
Wind 169er at 8.
Positive rate, gear up. I think it's funny how they just cleared 2 airplanes to land on the same
Cleared to
runway.
land runway 3 executive 363.
Autopilot? Oh shit. It's acting up.
Cessna 3 Bravo Whiskey contact Phoenix departure on 120.7.
It's alright, we'll figure this out. Stand by. I'm glad you're witnessing this.
120.7 Cessna 3 Bravo Whiskey.
Come on. There we no?
Phoenix departure Cessna November.
Autopilot's not taken. I've seen this happen before.
2,900 feet for
There we go.
11,000 feet.
I don't know what could be causing that.
November 343 Bravo Whiskey Phoenix departure. Continue to cheer as planned.
Zoom out.
30.14. Cessna 3 Bravo Whiskey climb and maintain flight level 190.
God damn it. Stupid fuck.
Climb and maintain flight level 190 Cessna 3 Bravo Whiskey.
Switch on nav.
Phoenix approaching.
Bring in the flaps.
63 is missed approach at Scottsdale.
There's the missed approach. You see these 2 airplanes?
Executive 363
I told you.
Climb and maintain 8,200 feet. Expect RNet Yankee runway 3 approach.
Let's go and switch on FLC.
Clear to Hawaii.
Well, it wasn't my fault. Whatever happened with that, you heard ATC. It's funny. They just, ATC, God bless them, they just can't help themselves.
Maintain 8,200 feet. Expect RNet Yankee runway 3 approach via Hawaii transition. Clear to Hawaii executive 363.
Cleared 2 airplanes to land on the same runway, and of course, what do you think happened? There's the airport. Let's see if we can make this work. It's such a pain in the ass. This camera. That's kind of slick. Alright, we're leveling out at 11,000. Getting ready to anyway. Passing 10,000, so we'll increase our speed.
Albuquerque Center Cessna November Tree 4 Tree Bravo Whiskey is at 10,000 feet, climbing flight level 190.
Gotta wait till we get to 10,800 before they'll tell us to climb. Watch. Those landing lights off. Okay, give me my further... come on, just tell me to climb for fuck's sake.
120.7 Cessna Tree Bravo.
Swear to God, it's ridiculous. Okay. Oh God, now everybody's talking. Oh dear. Can I please get clearance to climb? You fuck. Oh God, what is this? I'm at 11,000 feet like you told me to be, and you're not telling me to climb. Oh, 190. I thought they said 11,000. I'll have to check that on the video later. Probably just about to tell me to expedite my climb. Maybe I missed it. I will admit it. Maybe I missed it. I'm sorry. I had to check the... Okay, it's time to climb. What is... Right, fine. You know what? It's okay. We'll just do it. We'll just do it the old-fashioned way.
Albuquerque Center Cessna November Tree 4 Tree Bravo Whiskey is climbing through 11,000 feet.
Jesus Christ. Man, this has been all buggy as fuck.
Cessna November Tree 4 Tree Bravo Whiskey Albuquerque Center continue to CHEAR as planned.
Alright, at least we're climbing now. Anyway, I had to check the transmission history to see that we'd actually been told to climb to 19,000. I thought we were originally supposed to climb to 11,000 with our approach, with our IFR clearance. Look, see? Phoenix departure. Cessna 343 Bravo is climbing through 2,900 feet for 11,000. Did they thereafter tell me to... Oh yeah, they did. Cessna 3 Bravo Whiskey, climb and maintain flight level 190. No, I missed it. Alright, well that was my bad, not the ATC's. I'll own it. Sorry. Alright, anyway, gang, that's it. That's our takeoff part 1. See you in 4 hours. Teterboro, here we come.